Number 5. Snake Kingdom. Number 4. Strange Temple. Number 3. The Terrible Palace. Number 2. Strange Island.
Number 5 is a mysterious giant snake. There is something in this forest that is rarely seen by the human eye. The 20-foot-long python is a silent hunter. It's all over before you know it. It is called the Kingdom of Snakes. There are many strange and dangerous snakes here that are beyond your imagination. You can never imagine how many poisonous snakes there are here. There are thousands of them all here. Lost Ancient Temple number 4. Once upon a time, people could worship their gods and goddesses in this old temple. The current temple is in such a state that people don't even know that there is an old monastery deep in this forest. This temple used to house a big statue of god and goddess. This place is now known as a home. There is no other place in the world where people are unaware of such a terrible place. There is an ancient temple hidden deep in the jungle, beginning number 3. This was a kingdom of a Maharaja deep in the jungle of Sri Lanka on the Indian subcontinent, where the Maharaja's palace was located. Once upon a time, everyone in this kingdom died in a war, including since the morning a man has been looking after this strange palace since he returned alive. No one can go into this deep forest. Those who have tried to go deep into the jungle so far have not returned alive, or have not been able to return to their homes. Number 2. There is a strange island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, which is unknown to people until now. Those who travel by this island on large ships, they are the only ones who know this side well. A strange, unknown creature is hiding in this island, which has not yet touched the sunlight. This is a strange creature that can swallow an entire ship if it wants to, so ships have to take a lot of risks while traveling through this route, and they act very fearfully.